Let's make Jamaican salt mackerel, a easy Jamaican breakfast, lunch, or dinner that we paired with some boiled dumplings, some green bananas, and plantain. If you've never had salt mackerel, you will know that it is salty but savory, spicy, and aromatic. This traditional and flavorful dish is a typical Jamaican breakfast. Salt mackerel can be called pickup mackerel. It is delicious and extremely budget friendly. So, whether you're enjoying the breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this is a staple comfort dish in Jamaica. To cook salt mackerel, you have to soak the salty fish, removing the extra salt. So, boil it until it's tender, and then when it's boiled, you're going to peel off the skin of the mackerel and flake it up and remove all the bones. Then it is cooked with onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, allspice, Scotch bonnet peppers, garlic, thyme, scallion, and all the aromatics that we use to make sure the dish is nice and delicious. Another way that we cook salt mackerel is by adding coconut milk to it, which is called mackerel rundown. This version is just like making salt fish, which is cod fish that is salted. We have a lot of recipes that use the salted method because of the long shelf life and the ability to withstand the tropical climate. So, salting and preserving fish dated back to centuries. Heat cooking oil in a large skillet or frying pan over medium heat. Then add in your chopped up onions, garlics, bell peppers, Scotch bonnet, thyme, diced tomatoes, and saute the vegetables until they're soft and become aromatic. This takes about 5 minutes. Then we're going to add in some seasonings to season our vegetables because we want layers of flavor on top of layers of flavor. Don't forget to add in your pimento. Cook this up for another 3 minutes because you want your tomatoes to break up. And when it starts breaking up, then you're going to add in the seasonings to season the veggies and then your flaked mackerel. After you've added in your mackerel, you want to give it a stir so that it can combine with the vegetables and spices. When the mackerel and the vegetables and spices are well combined, then you're going to add in your ketchup and let the mixture simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the flavors to melt and mold together. Give it a nice taste and adjust the seasonings if needed, and if desired, you can add more black pepper or Scotch bonnet pepper for that extra heat. And that comes together in just about under 30 minutes, and you can enjoy the salt mackerel traditionally served with fried dumpling, boiled green bananas, fried plantain, rice and peas, or as we're doing boiled dumpling. So to a pot, you just want to add your dough that you made for your boiled dumpling, your banana, and your plantain. Don't forget to add some oil to the pot. Let that boil and it will all come together. Now it's time to start plating your delicious Jamaican salt mackerel with your boiled dumpling, green banana, and plantain. And there you have it, delicious salt mackerel, quick and easy in under 30 minutes. We would like to say hello and welcome to our new subscribers and to our old subscribers. Thank you for sticking around and we appreciate you.